Hey guys, today I want to show you guys how to hold your comb and your scissors while cutting the top. Like you see barbers keep switching it back and forth, so I want to show you guys how to do that today. So I'm going to use my friend here. I'm going to call her Alexa. This is Alexa. We're going to start by wetting the hair because you always need to wet the hair. Keeps the hair kind of together so you're able to comb it up and then cut it. So I'm going to do a little quick wet. Alright you guys, I'm not gonna really cut it, but I just want to show you guys. This is, yeah, it's super tangled. Alright, I'm just gonna use this part. Just by using this, it'd be perfect. So let's imagine the hair's wet here. This is the motion that you need to practice and you need to get good at it because you're gonna use this a lot. And I remember when I first started, I used to practice this thing while I was like inside a car at a red light, waiting for the light to change green. I'll be at, my hands on the bottom, just keep switching, practicing the motion. I'll also practice at home if I'm using computer, watching YouTube, watching TV. I'm always practicing this motion just so I can get it down fast and I'm ready for it as soon as I need to be. So this is the motion that we're working with. So your scissors, remember how I showed you that video how to hold your shears? If you haven't seen that video, please check it out. It should be right there. Check that video out first and get a grip of how to hold your shears. It's not the index, it's not the middle finger, it's the ring finger, and then your thumb goes to the bottom. Alright? Hey guys, before I finish this video, I want to show you guys something. This right here is extra, and this company right here sent me this amazing wallet. I saw the online store and it looks great, and I told them, like, send it to me. I really want to check it out, and if it looks great, I want to show you guys this wallet. So I haven't even opened it yet, so how about we do that together right now? Let's see, we should just open this up. Extra. Ooh. Oh yeah, it feels nice. I like that. I like that feel. Thank you for choosing us to improve your everyday carry. I always love the feeling of these. Just that nice feel to it. It's a nice box that you want to keep around, and you just don't want to just toss it because it's a nice box. Here's the wallet. I so far dig it. So that's the cards right there. That's where they go. You press this button and all the cards come out. Let's put that back in. Look. Boom. And look, they come out in that kind of way. So it's not just like a flat surface where you're like trying to pull out a card. So you check it out. Look. Boom. So now if you want to pull out this card, this card, this card, this card, and this card. And all you need to do was press that. Super neat. Look at that. There it is. Wow. There. Wow, that's so cool. I like that. And let's say you had some cash. You can just pop it in right there. And then extra cards here. Maybe some cash there or business card there. And on this side, you can actually have another slot to put stuff in. The feel of this wallet feels really nice. There is a really hard cover right here, but that's because of this container right here that holds all the cards. You see this little metal part right there. That's the only part. So unlike other wallet, it won't bend. So when you're sitting down, this might not be the wallet to go in your back pocket. It could go in your front pocket. So that would be really nice. Nice little logo there. Stitching is really good. So that's it right there. That's the design of that wallet, and I thought it was pretty cool. They do have one more thing I want to show you guys. This is what I want to show you guys. This right here is basically a Bluetooth thing that goes into your wallet. Apparently this right here goes into your wallet right there, and you keep it right there. And if any of you guys ever lost your wallet, this would be the reason how you can find it, because there's an app that would let you know where your wallet is, and all you have to do is just keep this in there. Ooh, I turn it on. Oh, this is a button. Look at that. That's neat. Nice sound to it. Sounds like an old school video game. This doesn't weigh anything. It's super light, but it is hard. So you're not gonna bend this one either, and you probably don't want to. So yeah, definitely this is not a wallet to go in your back pocket. Definitely not. Other than that, you guys, this looks like a really neat wallet. I definitely want to make another video to show you guys how good this thing works, because if I take up too much of this time, we won't got to the haircutting video. So that's about it for this wallet. So this is how you hold your shears, and when you're holding it with the comb, you let go of the thumb part, but your ring finger is still there. Let go of this part, and this part, you see how I'm holding it like this? See it? Okay, this part holds the comb. You got it? So here, it's still in the ring finger, but not the thumb, and then the rest of it just holds the comb, and then the scissors just go like that. Okay, it doesn't matter where the scissor is really. I'm gonna adjust it a little bit because I don't like it when it's super all the way in. I like it a little bit out like that, and I'm holding the shears, and now they're kind of close together. So now your hands are free, and then these tools right here goes on your right hand or your left hand, depending which hand you are. You comb it up, right? You take the section that you need and you comb it up. Okay, see how it's easier because I have it on one hand. You comb it up, and then you use your finger like this to kind of like clamp it, and then follow the comb. Okay, and then you redo it if you see that it's not grabbing all the hair. It should be nice and straight. Okay, and let's say I wanted to cut that much off. Let's say this is what I want to cut off now. So look, check this out. I'm gonna comb it up. My finger goes in the bottom, right at the bottom of the comb, and I'm gonna move it up all the way to the length I want to cut it off. Now I'm gonna take the comb out because my finger is now the new comb, and I'm gonna take the comb right here. See this? The fingers are holding the hair. The thumb and the index are just hanging out there. So I'm gonna take this, and I'm gonna put the comb into this index or thumb. Okay. Now my scissor is free, and I'll put my thumb right in there. Okay, and then I'll cut. After I cut, I'm gonna take my thumb out again. I'm gonna hold the comb like this, and then now I have my first guideline. After I got my first guideline, I comb it back, and I take that guideline and also take the new part of a new section. So now you know that guideline right there, you can see it. If you're standing behind a client, you can see it through the hair. Okay, see, if it's short right there, I'll be like, oh, okay, that's the guideline. I need to stop right there. So you take your comb up, same thing, move your hand all the way up with the comb, stop where the guideline is, where the first cut was, and now you do the same step, okay? Index finger holding the hair, comb still on this side, comb back into this thumb, okay? Put your thumb into the scissors, and then cut the hair. After you cut the hair, let go of the thumb, grab back the comb. Now you can take the next section without really throwing this off, because if you throw this off, it gets all messy again, and you might lose your section. So without throwing it off, okay, without throwing it and letting it go, you take the next section again, keep going, that's how we do it. We take the next section again, we look at it, and that's the guideline once again. Once you see the guideline, guess what? Comb goes into the thumb, index finger, the thumb goes back into the scissors, and then you're ready to cut. After you cut, let go, comb back into the other hand, and now you're ready to get the next part. So for instance, you guys, if you guys are cutting short hair, guys' hair, it's not going to be this long, it's going to be pretty short. It's going to be like half this length, and then you're cutting it, so it's a lot easier. When hair are this long, you have to make sure that you get all the hair. And after you get all the hair, this is the thing I used to think we have to do, is cut all the way up here. Make the hair completely straight and just cut all the way up here. Now, you don't have to do that. You can actually take the hair up. It has to be straight the first time you do it. Okay, see how it's straight? After you get it to where you want it, you can just bring the hair down and cut it, because you already have the guideline there. So you already have the mark that you want to cut. So all you have to do is just bring it down and cut it there, and then bring it back up, and get your next guideline. make sure the hair is wet. When the hair is dry, it's kind of all over the place, and it's not as easy to comb. So just make sure the hair is wet. It sticks together and it'll cut really well. And then you go to the next part, you bring the hair up, and then you bring the hair down to get eye level so you can see it. Because if it's up here, this isn't so bad. But imagine if the hair was longer and you're all the way up here, you can't see nothing, right? So let's just pretend that this is really long. Make life easier by bringing it down. Bringing it down, cutting it, and then letting it go, restart. Do that all the way to the end of the hair. So you guys got the technique so far. So first, I'm gonna remove Alexa out of the scene, and I'm just gonna talk to you guys and show you guys the hand motion of this, okay? So this right here, you comb it. This is what I practice in my car, and I wanna show you guys, so you guys can practice it as well. So you comb it in, okay? You put your finger on the bottom, comb it up. That's your guideline. Put your comb into your hand, you cut. Don't cut like this too. Don't cut like this, cut like this. You see how it's small? And instead of going like this, because like when you do this, you might accidentally cut your finger easily or your knuckle and it hurts. These scissors are really sharp and they will cut a skin off. I've had it happen, it sucks. So do small, small, like that. See, and if you do that and you use your knuckle as a guideline, you won't really cut yourself. See that? I'm not even really looking at this. I'm just looking at the lens. I'm looking at you guys. See? Start from here, go all the way in. And then you let go of your thumb, grab this out of the hand, and now you're ready to comb the hair into the next part. Here up, okay, comb into your finger, scissors back in, and cut. Once you get this motion down, right, you can do it pretty fast, right? So that's the practice you need to do. It all takes practice. And the first few times it's gonna be weird. You're gonna like, where do I hold my hands? Where am I gonna do this? If you guys get confused, just rewind this video, watch a little bit of it again. If you guys like this video so far, you guys, make sure you hit that like button, because hitting that like button will help my video go out there, and then it can make more content for you guys to watch. So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. So yeah, you guys, remember comb and scissors. I like a comb like this. See these right here? I like this type. Let me see if I can get okay, so I like these type of comb. It's a little bit thicker. It's not too thick where you can't really grab the hair, and it's not too thin where it's pulling it instead of just taking it out. So this comb is like my favorite one. And I know it's probably not meant for that, but it is my favorite comb to use when I'm cutting the top. The pair of scissors, I like really long ones. There's really short one. I think this is a 6.5. Yep, 6.5. I actually would go 7, but 6.5 is good. A lot of people do 4s or 5s. That's the size of shears they're using, the smaller one. And yeah, I just like really big shears. So yeah, remember that motion. You guys got it down? One more time. Comb in, okay? Comb up. Make sure that all the hair is clean. And then once the hair is clean, you go all the way up. That's your new mark right there. Put the comb inside your finger like that. Here's a view of how it looks like. Okay, that's my hands right there. And then you put your shears like this. Okay, remember the finger, thumb, go back in, cut, let the thumb out, grab the hold of the shears, grab this comb, and then restart. Go up, go up. Okay, here it is. Cut. Fluid motion. Just keep working at it, you guys. You guys got this. Other than that, if you guys have any questions at all, let me know in the comment below. I'll be sure to get to all of them. You know I will. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll catch you guys later.